Welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Enhancements. Today we're going to be showcasing the Harley Davidson Road Glide that we just completed. Here you have it. We'll do a little walk around and show you what we have. We'll start off in the front. The Road Glide fairing. It's all been pinstriped by Ron Gibbs. There's a signature. Front fender. The 180 front tire. Got engine guards. Custom floorboards, front and rear. The Harley Davidson, we'll get that to the other side when the sun shines on it a little bit better. Got digital gauges. We'll light these up for you. Upgraded stereo system. Grips, mirrors. Again, this pinstripe up the middle of the tank. Lights in the back. Just beautifully done. Pinstriping all with a nice little black accent. There's just a couple of little fine-tuning pieces that we need to complete on it, waiting on parts. And customer's very pleased the way it turned out. And there you have it, folks. If you need your bike customized, give us a shout at Motorcycle Enhancements, and we'll take care of you. You have a great day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and catch you in the next video.